from the market. You wash it, then you cut into small dices like that. Let it cook. You can feel the aroma of the garlic and the masala. We do a little bit of tomato paste. Tomato paste is there. Like that. Like that. It's cooking. It's cooking. It's cooking. I have the stock here with me. These are some stock. This is chicken stock. Chicken stock with mere the chicken bones with the maple vegetables, the roughly cut vegetables, leeks, onions. Boil with other vegetables. You boil them. You get the stock. In the meantime, chicken is cooking here. I see the chicken is cooking. Yeah. Chicken is cooking. It's already sealed. You can see now we have sealed our chicken. This is coconut milk. Because what gives the kuku kupaka taste is the coconut milk and the masala. Like that, like that. Now sauce is cooking here. Our chicken is sealed already. Go like this. Now you get your chicken and put in the sauce. Put in the sauce. Like that. One piece by one by one piece. Like that, one by one. Very slowly, gently. Like that. Like that. Then now you start the chicken slowly like this. You see how it is? Like that, like that, like that, like that. You feel the aroma of the chicken, you feel the coconut, you feel the other ingredients. They are combined, they are balanced. It's a nice dish. You feel like this, like that, like that, like that. Like that. Give some time, let it boil. This will cook for 25 minutes. After 25 minutes, that chicken should be ready. And then when it's ready, it's always good to correct the seasoning. It's not, you need to add some salt or pepper. You add some pepper. You serve it with white rice or chapati, as I said, and a little bit of lemon to give it a tangy taste. It's always fantastic dish. And here in the coast, when you come to Hoysad, you sort of Hoysad, you experience other like chicken wa kuku wa kupaka, other coastal dishes like viazi karai, mahamri, baazi, mnazi. All those dishes are here with us. Now 20 minutes on chicken cooking now is ready. In the meantime, I have rice here, and I already prepared the rice. Now I flavor to give a coconut taste. Do some oil. Do that. We do some onions, a bit of onion like that. Stir this. Stir this. To give it a little bit of garlic a bit. So this steam rice, now you want to give it a flavor. You can give it a flavor using cardamom. You can also give it a flavor using cumin. But as you want to give a flavor of coconut, put your coconut there. Put your coconut. Put your coconut. Our rice is here. Our rice is there. You stir it slowly. You stir slowly. So like this. Like this. So that it gets the flavor of the coconut. Like that. Like that. Like that. Without breaking the rice. Very gently. like that, like that. Give it a simmering slow fire, and our rice will be okay in a few minutes time. Is there? Chicken is here. You finish with the more addition of coconut cream. Our coconut cream is here, like that. You add a little bit of now the coriander, like that. You start the chicken. And our chicken kuku wa kupaka now is ready. Our chicken now, you see, our chicken is ready, rice is ready, is here. Now we do clearance here. We do a bit of clearance, like that. Then my plate here. The one for rice. Rice is this. Put rice here. I like rice. I like everything. My dish, I like having rice like that. This is rice, a good portion. Chicken is ready. Do a chicken here, like 4 pieces. Chicken is here. Our chicken is here. Do some sauce. Like that. Some sauce. Then have a garnish the chicken here. A little bit of coconut milk or cream. And there's some diced tomato there. Our chicken is ready. Our guest, I will invite to have a taste of kuku wa kupaka, and I give a comment on how the taste of the chicken. And the rice is here. Oh, that's a good portion for tasting. Sorry. This is a good taste for portion for tasting. Karibu, welcome.
Thank you.
This is my guest. I would like you to taste my chicken kuku wa kupaka, a coastal authentic dish. Let's get the view of the guest.
Amazing.
With the rice.
The rice has coconut.
Yeah, it's a coconut rice,
Nice.
flavored with coconut, and the chicken kuku wa kupaka with all the ingredients cumin, garam masala, and the coconut milk. That is coconut cream.
It tastes amazing.
Wow, thank you. Thank you for watching Tedo chiemo. Welcome here at the Soroba White Side for more authentic Swahili dishes. Thank you.